So now let's see how we can just merge out the visible layers inside of GIMP. So for that, I'm going to go around and grab this brush and draw around right here on the background. And I'm going to go around and press the plus button to actually go around and create a new layer. And over here, I'm going to go around and choose another color, let's say for example, and I'm going to go around, press OK and draw around right here. So now I'm going to go around, press the plus button again right here, just like this, and I'm going to go around and choose, let's say for example, red right here, and then draw around right here, just like this. And let's just go around and create another layer right here, just like this as well. And I'm going to go around and choose, let's say for example, orange right here, just like this, right here. So let's just go around, press OK, and this is what you have. So now let's say I just want to go around and merge out these two layers right here, the orange and blue right here. In that case, I can go around and then, let's say for example, hide these particular two layers that I don't want to merge together. And now what I can do is I can go around over here onto the image menu, and here you can see that merge visible layers is an option. So it only will merge out the layers that are visible right here. Once I go around and do that, I can go around and merge it out, and you can see that these two layers has been merged together and the layers that were hidden are not merged. So now you can see that this is what you have, and if I were to go around and move this, these layers are merged together, while the one that were not actually visible were actually separate right here, just like this. And that is how you can utilize the merge visible layers option inside of GIMP. So I hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.